Hey there! So I just released a video on making this food prep cart. It's actually a present for my fiance. She loves to cook, but her kitchen sucks. So I wanted to come up with something that could help make it better that, wouldn't be something permanent, something that could be moved later. I was watching an old episode of the New Yankee Workshop where Norm is making this butcher block, I guess just butcher block. I don't recall if it was like a cart or just a table or whatever he called it, but it got me thinking it would be cool to have more of a semi-permanent surface or larger workspace as a butcher block, but something that wasn't stationary and something that added storage. So I came up with this. It's a food prep cart, but more of a butcher block style. Part of that is because with a knife, you can put that in the knife slot back here, and you can see it kind of hides the knife. And you still have to be careful, obviously, but it's a good place to put maybe 4 knives or so back here. So they're out of the way when you don't need them, or you can have multiple ready at your disposal. And if you're moving around, they're not going to fall off. You don't have to worry about that. And of course, the nice thing about this is you can pop out both the butcher block and then the separate piece here for the knife slot. That way it makes it easy to clean, and it can always be replaced later. But the nice thing about this really is that you can chop up a bunch of ingredients, put it in a bowl, put it down here, and you can haul this over to the stove or wherever you're going to be working in the kitchen, and it's always right there with you. So I guess another option is you don't have to make it a mobile cart. You could give it adjustable feet, have a more permanent location. Could be better for stability, but honestly, as a cart, it's pretty awesome. I think it really helps a lot. But yeah, I'm curious what you think of this. I don't know anything you would change, what you like about it or don't like. Please let me know in the comments.